This is another product that I got from Amazon, I think 10 days ago. It's TAPARIA L spanner. MRP is 183 rupees. Manufacturing is Jan 2022. I have yet not opened it. It's still packed. The quality is good. You can use it to open like the tire of your automobile. So this is TAPARIA 19, so it's like the 19mm version of L spanner. It's not that big, so it's portable, around 26 centimeter. So maybe you have to apply more force here if you want to open it. Even you can use your leg. Here, as you can see, it's around 12 centimeter. So this is the TAPARIA L spanner. Here also you can see TAPARIA 1536S 19.